Hello guys, welcome back. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy S20 FE 5G, and I'll show you how to take a screenshot without buttons on this device. First, go to the Settings app and scroll down to Advanced Features. Then go to Motions and Gestures, and here we have the palm swipe to capture switch, which is turned off. To turn it on, just tap the switch once. Now if you swipe the edge of your hand across the screen, you can take a screenshot that way. As you can see, we have the screenshot captured. You can edit, share, or manage all the functions. You can also find your screenshots in the gallery. That's it. If you found this video helpful, leave a like, comment, and subscribe.